Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is to solve the equation. We have x plus 177 everything to the power of 2 minus x minus 177 everything to the power of 2 equals to 708x. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We have that a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equal to a minus b multiplied with a plus b. So we will apply this formula for this situation in here. Now we will get x plus 177 minus x plus 177, and we have x plus 177 plus x minus 177, and now we need to simplify x minus x, so you got only 2 multiplied with 177, and we have 2x equals to 708x. Next, as you can see that we have x and x. If we put this one on the left or this one on the right, we know the solution should be only 0. That's the end. Thank you for watching.